Hey guys, today I have with me Xiaomi 11 Lite ME 5G. The smartphone offers a 6.55-inch AMOLED display having a pixel density of 402 ppi and a refresh rate of 90 Hz. Xiaomi 11 Lite ME 5G has a bezel-less punch hole display with Corning Gorilla Glass V5 protection. On the right spine, you'll find the power button and volume rocker. Power button also works as a fingerprint sensor. The bottom of the phone features a USB Type-C port, SIM tray and a speaker grill. Xiaomi 11 Lite ME 5G comes with a triple camera setup. Also, you'll see the Xiaomi branding at the bottom. So that's all as far as the design is concerned. Now, let's get into the details about the internals. The Xiaomi 11 Lite ME 5G comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G chipset with 6nm fabrication. For multitasking, you'll get 6GB of RAM and the internal capacity of the smartphone is 128GB, which can be further expanded up to 1TB. Xiaomi 11 Lite ME 5G offers a 4250 mAh battery powered by a 33-watt fast charging facility. Coming to the camera specs, the phone features a 64-megapixel triple camera setup and includes a 64-megapixel primary camera supported by an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera and a 5-megapixel camera. Also, the phone offers a 20-megapixel front camera. The software version of Xiaomi 11 Lite ME 5G is Android 11 with MIUI. So guys, that's it for Xiaomi 11 Lite ME 5G. Thank you so much for watching this video.